Hello dear friends, let's see place value of the digits in decimal fractions. Already you know how to write the place values of the whole numbers, that is unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and so on. But in decimal fraction, the number which is present after the point immediately, that place is called tens place, and second time after the point is called hundreds place. Now let's observe this example. Place value of the digits in 210.86. Now before point they are whole numbers, so 0 is present at unit place, 1 is present at tens place and 2 is present at hundred place. After the point the first place is called tens and the second place is called hundreds. So let's see how the place value is written. 2 is present at 100 place, so its place value is 200. This 1 is present at tens place, so place value is 10. And 0 is present at unit place, so place value is 0. This you know, because already we have written place values of the whole numbers. But now here decimal fractions are there. Now let's observe this 8. This is present after the point first digit, that is called tens place, and its place value is written as 0.8 after the point first, so 0.8, it is called tens place. Then 6 is present second time after the point, that place is called hundreds, so second after the point, so it will come like this 0.06. I will explain you how to write the place value of decimal fraction with one more example. Let's see this example 73.82. Now see 73 whole number, 3 is present at unit place, 7 is present at tens place. After the point first place is tens and second place is hundreds. So now place value of 7 is 70. Why? Because it is present at tens place. And place value of 3 is 3. It is present at units place. Now after the point first digit 8, that is tens place, means 8 upon 10 means 0.8. And this 2 is present after the point second time, means hundreds place, means 2 upon 100 means 0.02. You know it very well. Upon 10 means point after one digit, upon 100 means point after two digits. Now let's see problem set 38, how to write the place value of the decimal fractions. So look at the first example from problem set 38, 6.13. Now before point only 6 whole number is present, single digit, so unit place. So place value of 6 is 6 only. After the decimal point first digit is 1, that is at tens place. 1 upon 10 means 0.1. And 3 is the second digit after the decimal points, means its place is hundreds. 3 upon 100 means its place value is 0.03. Like this we have to write the place values of the decimal fractions. Now let's see the second example 48.84. Before point 2 digits, means unit and tens place, and after point tens and hundreds place. So place value of 4 is 40 as it is present at tens place. Place value of 8 is 8 only because it is present at unit place. After point first digit 8 means 8 upon 10. Upon 10 means point after one digit. So its place value is 0.8. As this 4 is present second time after the decimal point, means 4 upon 100. So point will come after 2 digits, so 0.04. See, 1, 2, after 2 digits point is here. Let's see the third example. 72.05. Here 72. 70 plus 2 means tens and unit place. It is as usual. We are writing the place values of our regular numbers. So 7 is present at tens place, so place value is 70. 2 is present at unit place, so place value is 2. After point first digit is 0, so place value is 0.0. Or you can write 0 only, because 0 is present at any place. Its place value is 0 only. And place value of 5, as it is present at second position, means hundredths position after the point, so its place value is 0.05. Let's see the next example. That is 3.4. Before point single digit means unit place, and after point also one digit only, so 0.4. It's very simple. Place value of 3 is 3 only. Place value of 4 is 0.4. And last example from this practice set, 0.59. Place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 5 after point first, so 0.5 means 5 upon 10 means 0.5. Place value of 9. 9 upon 100 means 0.09. In simple way, what to remember? If the digit is present first after the decimal point 0 point, that number. If the digit is present second time after the decimal point 0.0, that number. If the digit is present third time after the decimal point 0.00, that number. Like this way, you have to remember how to write the place values of the decimal fraction. Before point they are the whole numbers, so how regularly we are writing the place values? Use the same method. And after the point first, second, third, now how to write? Already I have explained you. It's very simple. Do the practice and complete problem set 38. In the next video we will see how to write rupees and paise, how to write meters and centimeters in the decimal form. Till that, bye bye. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.